Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. More power to you. Today, we have something special in store for you. We're going to reveal some amazing tips on how to dress up to look absolutely stunning and attractive at any family function. Whether it's a cozy gathering or a grand celebration, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. Getting ready. The key to looking fabulous starts with the right preparation. Begin by selecting an outfit that matches the occasion. Opt for something comfortable yet stylish that reflects your personal taste. Remember, confidence is the ultimate accessory. Choosing the perfect outfit. It's time to raid your closet. Go for colors that complement your skin tone and bring out your natural glow. If it's a formal event, a classy dress or a well-fitted suit can do wonders. For a more casual setting, a smart top paired with elegant trousers or a skirt is a great choice. Accessorize. Now, let's talk accessories. They can elevate your look in an instant. A statement necklace, sparkling earrings, or even a dashing tie can make a world of difference. Just remember, moderation is key. Don't overdo it. Let your accessories accentuate your overall charm. Hairstyling. Your hair can be a game changer. Experiment with different styles that flatter your face shape and outfit. Soft curls, a sleek updo, or even leaving your hair open can bring out your inner radiance. Makeup magic. Makeup can be your best friend. Enhance your natural features with a touch of foundation, a hint of blush, and the perfect shade of lipstick. Smoky eyes or a subtle winged liner can add a touch of allure. Remember, it's all about highlighting your unique beauty. Footwear. Don't forget about your footwear. Your shoes should match the overall vibe of your outfit. Heels for a sophisticated look, flats for comfort, or stylish boots for a trendy twist. The right shoes can complete your ensemble with finesse. Confidence is key. Here's the secret ingredient: confidence. Stand tall, smile, and carry yourself with grace. When you feel good about yourself, it radiates from within and captivates everyone around you. Final touches. Before you head out, take a final look in the mirror. Adjust anything that needs attention and make sure you're feeling fantastic from head to toe. And there you have it, folks. Dressing up to look beautiful and attractive in a family function is all about embracing your individuality, choosing the right attire, and letting your confidence shine. So go ahead, rock that family gathering with your incredible style and charm. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more empowering tips. Until next time, stay gorgeous. Bye-bye, lovelies.